Look.
The Easter Bunny came here. See it? It's a bike. Look at it. It's a bike. So here's your stuff there. Here's your basket. Here's your basket. And there's your bike. And there's your bike. This is yours. Didn't you even see that bike? No.
No.
Good one, Dad. Can you fix that?
No.
You can't?
You can't?
Might try. See if I pull it off.
Oh, wow. I haven't put the color on backwards. Hop on it.
Take that nook out of your mouth. Take that nook out.
Here. Come here.
Uh-oh. Look at Mama.
What's me? Wait.
Taylor. What happened?
See?
Why did you do that?
I don't know.
It's only on 6 exposures.
I don't know. What, how many?
6.
I don't think it took.
I don't think what should.
I don't know.
Go get me my case.
I think your robot should.
Go get Mom's case.
Let's get this server off.
You know, every camera I have, never fails.
Oh,
Ride the
my
bike over
worms
there.
up.
See, put your feet on the pedals. Ride the bike over there.
Whoa, look at my legs.
Cool. See, push forward like this.
Whoa. Look, he's tight.
Yeah, you're doing it. Here, push this one.
Taylor, look at me.
Alright guys, I'm going to go to the Easter hunt.
Want to go on the Easter hunt? Grab your basket.
This is my
I won't take!
Grab your basket, Tay. You ready?
I think, hey, you're losing it, honey.
Get your basket.
Okay.
Right there. See, look at the little eggs. Come get all the eggs. See? Here, Tay,
See,
look
there's
here.
eggs.
See? Eggs down there.
Put them in your basket.
I want that one. Here, take some, Tay. Take some of these. I'm not afraid of them.
There's more. Look, all over.
There's all over. There's a whole bunch. All of these? Okay. So do I. Here's a whole bunch. Look over there.
Oh.
You better get over here. Chandra's wiping out this part.
Taylor, hurry, come over here.
Why is it doing this?
This is my candy, Dad.
Look
Oh,
over
you know
here.
something? This is really, really, really.
You're on camera, sir.
Oh,
Oh, it's up there.
Right here. Look. Yeah, look behind things too. Look behind the frog down there.
Yeah.
I see one down there. See him?
Chandra.
you're not warm enough.
Where's it?
I mean, I think it's pretty obvious that those aren't all for
Taylor, come look over here. Come look over here.
Yeah, right there by the frog.
Right there.
By the shoe.
By the shoe. Oh, the frog. Yeah, there's a frog right next to it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Here you go. Here's one more. Come over here, Tay. Look over here. There's a whole bunch over here, too. Look at, no, look at over here.
Ooh, look at furniture.
Here, Tay. Here. Here, let down your basket. Just lay down. Look at all those up here. Ooh. Here's a whole bunch. Here you
Drop
go.
it in your basket.
Here's some. Here's one more.
Drop them in your basket.
Taylor, can I have these ones? Can I have these?
was mine.
Okay.
They're
I'll have this
mine.
Well, I tell you what, guys, we're gonna put some of this in a bowl.
See this one?
This is more candy than little girls.
Taylor, there's some over here too. Now put them in the basket. There's some over here. Come here.
Oh, would you? Oh, my butt did it.
Look at there's a whole bunch right there.
Oh, good.
I think we got them all. There's some more upstairs in there. Should I wait for her? Do you want me to help you?
I got it.
She can do it.
Okay, ready? Let's go upstairs.
Mine can't get there. This is mine.
No, that's Breeze, I think.
That's mine. That's
And that's
Chandra's.
Chandra's. No, it's Chandra's. Hey,
Yours is right there.
this is yours. Color book.
You got coloring book. That's better. Come on, let's go on. There's more eggs up here, Tay.
Well, let's leave that down here, honey. That's gonna be hard to put in your basket. Okay?
Okay.
Let's just leave that.
There's more eggs up here. Come here.
Okay.
Here, I'll carry your basket. You just walk up.
I sweat me up
Something's wrong with this.
for me.
It's got dark on it also.
How about I just carry your basket and walk up? Here.
Me too.
She's gonna dump it.
I know.
Let Sissy have it.
Ellie!
You okay? Oh, did I hit your nose?
Her password is open.
Here, come on. Hop up, go upstairs.
Taylor, here's your basket. Taylor,
For mine?
here, yeah, I'll just leave it right here and just grab it.
Here, Taylor, some more over here. Here. Look, there's a whole bunch of receipts too. There's some on the seat too, Tay.
What's your small flowers?
Here's one, here's one. Here, how about you go get the grass? Leave these over here and you grab the basket.
Or just go put those in your basket and come back.
Well, you got them all.
Oh, the mouse has an Easter basket too, huh?
This is mine.
No, that's
Your
Sissy's.
stuff.
This is mine.
Taylor, look at all that.
This one.
Here, Tay.
Is there any more?
Put us on. Pick 'em
I
up.
think you need to check out the window seat, guys. Okay, Taylor.
Taylor,
Come here, Tay.
put them all in your basket. Put them all in your basket.
No, three more in there.
Yeah, over here, Tay. Come on.
I think that's all, but look in the window seat. I think I see
That's
something.
bright for me.
Ooh, yeah.
There's some.
Can I have this?
Oh,
That's a cornet, Taylor.
Who put a cornet in there?
Taylor,
I
there's
found
some
another.
more.
I'll eat cornets.
Here,
too.
Jay, look.
Get more. That's mine.
No, that's Breeze. Go put it in your feet, you little snot.
You're cold.
All right, go on.
You're cold. You're cold, Candy.
They're cold candies?
Yeah.
I think you've
Who
outgone
got the
it,
one up
Billy.
here? Did you? Oh, she did? Oh, I think our Easter.
Come here, girls.
one.
All standing together.
Show Dad how much candy you got.
Whoa.
Let me see.
Look how much candy you got. Look how much candy.
See, Taylor. Taylor, let me see.
Show Dad how much candy. Don't dump it.
Mine. They're mine.